Hi and welcome to excelwebscraper.com. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the link extractor feature on Excel Web Scraper to pull off and generate links as well, and try to pull off some email business contacts as well. So there's several ways that you can do that, as it shows here. To generate URLs, you can do via the domain or the strings. If you watched any of the previous videos, I do show you how to create URLs for eBay and for Facebook using the domain and the string option. This time around you can create bulk, and you can also pull off links for these various sites as well. But for Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter, you can't actually pull any email contacts off. Every now and then you may be able to for YouTube, but you can pull email contacts off for TikTok and any of the miscellaneous as well. This application is not really designed to pull off business contacts from Instagram, LinkedIn or Twitter, but it will pull off links from there. Many of my users requested this feature, as well as the Facebook feature, to be able to pull links off, and that's why I've included these here. I will try at a later date to create something that may be able to do that, but for now it only pulls the links off. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so in order to mass generate links for domains, I have a copy of some URLs here. So I've got about 3,000 here, and these are just web domains. I'm just gonna select all and copy all 3,000. Come back here where it says the domain option. As these are web domains, double click in here. I've got the tick, and then just click on the paste box here, and it will paste all 3,000 in, which is what it's done here, and say OK. Okay, so these are just web domains, and to qualify needs to have either the HTTP, the HTTPS or the www. And now I'm going to mass generate these. In order to do that, just hit the start button. So what it does, it will just strip out the name, and then it will mass generate eBay URLs, Facebook, Instagram. It will generate Twitter, LinkedIn and YouTube. Okay, TikTok, and then it creates some miscellaneous sites here as well for you. The miscellaneous could be that maybe it's another social media that you want to use, and you want to change where it says mysite1.com to something else, but it will generate these for you as well. And these settings do sit here, so I'll just open the settings here and scroll down, and here they are. So it's if I move this up, so that's the eBay that is generated, and these will be users, and then you've got the Facebook, the Instagram, the Twitter, the LinkedIn and the YouTube and the TikTok, and these are the additional ones as well. So my site one, so if you've got something like, let's say for example WeChat, it may be WeChat.com, and then whatever name it's stripped from here. In this case it was Arnold Clark for the first one. That's what it will put in here. And you could put other social media sites. Just delete these out. It says MySpace and .com if it's not relevant, and then create new ones. And these are your settings. Just save on the way out. Just close this. And then these where it says my site 1, my site 2 and my site 3 will be changed over to whatever you've done. If you then have the correct extractors, then you can extract this business information regarding these organizations from there. Like the eBay ones, these ones you can put up here into the eBay search and do the search, but for now I'm just gonna export these to Excel. It's fine. So it's created 3,000 copies to eBay, 3,000 here and 3,000 for Instagram. So it's 3,000 for Facebook, 3,000 for Twitter and 3,000 for LinkedIn and so forth. And that's how easy it is to mass generate URLs. And here you can see the names that it's stripped out from the web domains. I'm going to clear this. So clear all. Okay, the other way is the string option, and strings is basically just words. So I have here some business names. It's about 2,220. I'll just copy these. So if you've got a list of business names and you want to generate some links for them that they may or may not, but you don't have the, let's say for example, Facebook details. Okay, so these are the strings, and I've got the string option and just hit start. Well, it has now generated you a Facebook page. Just be aware that when you are generating, this is how the Facebook page may not look. Okay, but there's a good chance that it may look something similar to this, or maybe this one, and you may be able to pull some business details off. Okay, and here's a eBay that is created, Facebook, Instagram, and these were not web domains, these were just names to businesses. Okay, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, and here it lets you create domains as well. So I started off with just the business name. I didn't have the web domain, and here is creating me a .co.uk version, a .uk, and a .com. So it's a .com, .uk, and .uk version. And again, it's giving me the option of my site 1, my site 2, and my site 3 again. Okay, so these domains are here in the settings, and you can change these as well too. So it could be .org, and you can change it to whatever you want to. Just hit save on the way out. You do need to include the dot first, which is that bit there. Okay, I'll just reset this back to the .com. You need to do this before you hit the start button, but it's now generated me some URLs, and I can search these URLs in the email search up here if I wanted to look for just email addresses. I'll just come back here to the link extractor. So if you want to mass generate, you can do it by using domains or using strings. Strings are meaning basically just text, and you can generate URLs, and it's that simple. But what you will need to do is just export to Excel and then copy and paste these back in. I'll just clear everything here. Sorry, I don't think it's cleared that. Okay, you may have to select an option to clear it. Okay, so just select an option if it doesn't clear. You've also got the miscellaneous option here as well. Okay, with the miscellaneous option, you do need to type in what you're looking for and mess around, and I'll give you 2 examples of how to do it. So here in my Firefox browser, I've got eBay open, and my eBay is going to be ebay.co.uk, and under business details I will have an email address that I can extract off. I'm not going to open it because it's got the email address there. So I need to type in ebay.co.uk and maybe some key things here, and I will probably say this is maybe the key word for the URL, USR. So if I just come back here, I've got the miscellaneous option, and I will say ebay.co.uk. I'll do /USR. Always do one search first, okay, because it may not find anything unless if it pulls anything up. Okay, and it's pulled something up. Okay, so now that I know that there are some details there that I can pull off, I can increase that. I'll say 3 searches for now. And that's what I said, 3 here. It's on the second one. It said it's got 1 left, so it's 0 now. This is the last one. Okay, and it has pulled up 139 records of users on eBay. I can, as it's under miscellaneous, send this up to the email scraper here, which I will do now. And it's always best to search eBay under the first one. And I will just hit start, and we'll see if it pulls off any email addresses. And straight away you can see it's pulling off email addresses to eBay sellers. Just be mindful that if you're doing it this way, you've not specified what these eBay sellers are selling. Okay, so they're not product specific, like I don't know if these are phone sellers or gardening equipment or so selling other types of products. So these may not be as useful, but these are quick eBay links to eBay sellers. I'm just going to stop this for now, as there's 139 records and 112 left. I'm just going to OK this message, and quickly it's pulled off some eBay contacts here for me. I'm just going to clear everything here. Clear all. If you do want more specific, then watch all the eBay videos, because it does show you how to pull the seller's URL and the seller's details, and it shows you how to pull more product specific type of email business contacts. I'll just come back down here to the link extractor. So that's quickly me pulling off eBay eBay records from eBay, and the keywords I used was ebay.co.uk and USR, because I know here under this section here is where the contact email address is going to be. I'll just open it up for you here, and there's the email address that I was extracting. Okay, so you do need to find the page that the email is going to be on. The second example I'll give you here is going to be Google Play. So this is Google Marketplace, and I'm going to pull emails from app developers. So I've gone to Google Marketplace, and I'm just going to pick something out here. I'll say this one here, and I'll just scroll down and see if there's an email anywhere. Just open this up. There may or may not be an email on this page. You do need to find the page that's got the email on, and here the email is here. Okay, and I want to pull this email. So the key things I need here are probably going to be play.google.com.store, and I will type that in, and we'll see if any if I could pull links to developers off. So I'll just clear everything here. I think I need to select. Okay, clear it all. So it was going to be play.google/store. Again, do one page just to see if there's any results. Okay, so there's nothing coming up there. Let's try, let's just come back in and have a look. Okay, so there's a .com as well. So I will say .com. Let's do a search. Okay, and let's pull some stuff up. Now I can come back. Sometimes you don't need the slash. As you can see, I've not put anything in for location. This time around I will say 3 pages, and I'll do a search. It's up to me how many pages that I search, but for the purpose of this video I'm just going to keep it short. And it's probably on average about 49, but if there's any duplicates it will delete them out. And I'll just OK this. And then as I'm on the miscellaneous, I can send these up to the email search, which is what I'm going to do. And it's now open up the email extractor. And again, it's always best just to do the first search. I'll do a quick search and I'll see if it's going to pull up any email contacts. Okay, so far nothing. And here it's pulled up 1 email, 2, 3, 4 emails. And as you can see, it's working its way through, and it's pulling up emails from Google Play Store of app developers. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to do all 133, so I'm just going to stop this early, and it will delete any duplications that are on there. Just scroll up, and there's the emails that it's pulled off for me. Okay, so there's quite a few emails here. And that's how easy it is. I'm just going to clear everything here, and I will just come back down here to the link extractor. and you just need to mess around. You need to go onto certain websites, find out where the email sits on that page, and then to just type in key parts and just play around with it in here. You can't paste the information in, but you do need to type it in, and as I said, do one page search and see if it's going to pull anything up for you. Just going to see if it's going to clear it or not. I will type in. If it doesn't let you clear, just select any option and it will just let you clear it then. Okay. With these, again, with TikTok, I will just, sorry, it's Instagram. I will say, let's say web developers. I'll do one page just to see if there's anything. And straight away it's pulled in. Okay. And then I can increase this to pull up further pages, and that's how it works with all of them. But as I said, with Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, it's not going to pull any business contacts in the email. You do need third party, and some of my users do have that, but every now and then for TikTok it will. Let's look for something different. I will say car dealerships. I'll increase it to, let's say, 4 pages, put some delays in. I'm not going to say where the location is. Sometimes you'll get better results by not putting a location in. And it's pulling TikTok clicks now for car dealerships. It's got one more search to do out of the 4 that I typed in. Any duplicates will be deleted out. Now I know with TikTok it will find something, and every now and then with YouTube it will as well, but it's very rare with YouTube. But TikTok you can pull off emails, so I can send this up, but if I leave it on TikTok and try to send it up, it will give me an error message basically just saying, oh, the miscellaneous can be moved up to the email search, because that's what it's designed to do, only move from miscellaneous. So just change it to miscellaneous and hit this again, and it sent it up. I'm going to leave it on the first one, and I'm going to do a search and see if there's any emails. And with TikTok it does allow you to pull some business contacts off, and here you can see straight away it's pulled one email, and there's another one. It's just going to work its way through, and it will start pulling off emails from TikTok. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to do all 178, as this is just a demonstration, but it's found 9 records so far, and it's just going to work its way through. Now it's on the 10th record, and it's just working its way through, and it's pulling off email business contacts. Any duplicates will be deleted, and there's 3 duplicates here, so it will only keep a unique record of these. And I'm just going to stop this early, as this is just a demonstration video, and I will OK this, and it will delete the duplicates, which is just done at this moment in time. And you can pull from TikTok email business contacts, pulling car dealerships, and that's basically what it's pulled off for me. I'll just clear everything here, and I'll come back down to the link extractor. And again, as I said, with YouTube you can as well, but they're all pretty much the same on how to use. But it's very rare with YouTube you will find the odd email here and there. Okay, but I'm not going to do a search on YouTube, and that's how simple it is to use the extractor. I'll just clear everything here, of how to generate mass URLs by using the domain or the string option, or pulling from any one of these various sites. And that pretty much concludes today's video on the link search and generator. Thank you for watching this video, and if you're interested in Excel Web Scraper, just visit us on excelwebscraper.com.